Morning. Good morning. How are you?
Good
Why are
morning,
your feet way
Mama.
up here? Look at there.
Oh, look at
Yeah.
you, Mama.
Good morning.
Look at you. You're darling.
Wow. Stretch.
Stretchy, Mama.
Oh, yeah. Oh, stretch and yawn.
It's time for breakfast, Mama.
Oh, yeah. You awake now? Do you get your stretches in? You done? Are you awake?
Oh, Frank.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
I'm happy. Still stretching a little bit when you can, huh? Here, more stretches. There you go. I thought so. Yep. Again. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. We're done.